Now in this class we are going to discuss a very important chemical reaction of chapter number 3 in organic chemistry, that is aldol condensation. This aldol condensation is shown by those aldehydes and ketones which have alpha hydrogen. So let us understand what is alpha hydrogen. Say, let us take an example of acetaldehyde. This is carbonyl carbon and it is attached to one carbon atom directly. This is carbonyl carbon. This carbon atom which is directly attached to the carbonyl carbon atom is called alpha carbon, and hydrogens attached to this alpha carbon are called alpha hydrogen. So it is mandatory to have alpha hydrogens if aldehyde or ketone wants to show aldol condensation. In this example, we have this is alpha carbon and it has got alpha hydrogens. Therefore, this compound will show aldol condensation. Let us take another example. This is formaldehyde. This is alpha carbon, carbonyl carbon. Is there any carbon atom attached directly to this carbon atom? This carbonyl carbon atom? No. Therefore, we can see there is no carbon atom over here. So we can say it does not have alpha carbon and hence it does not have alpha hydrogen. Hence, this will not show aldol condensation. Let us take another example of a ketone. This is propanol. Yes, this is carbonyl carbon and these carbon atoms are attached directly to this carbonyl carbon. Therefore, and they have alpha hydrogen also. Yes, propanol will show aldol condensation. Take one more example. This is benzaldehyde. Where is alpha carbon? This is alpha carbon. Now this alpha carbon is attached to with 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bonds already, and there is no hydrogen attached to this alpha carbon. Therefore, benzaldehyde does not have alpha hydrogen. It has alpha carbon but it does not have alpha hydrogen. We can see over here. Therefore, benzaldehyde will also not show aldol condensation. So remember, in case of formaldehyde and benzaldehyde, both of these will not show aldol condensation because of lack of alpha hydrogen. Okay. Now let us see the mechanism of this reaction, how this reaction proceeds. I can write acetaldehyde like this. In the presence of base, this H goes and the electron density shifts like this. This electron density shifts and we get this species. Again, electron density comes back here to generate this negatively charged ion. This is called enolate ion. So the first step of aldol condensation, is generation of this negatively charged enolate ion. This enolate ion is going to act as a nucleophile. Now, what is nucleophile? Nucleophile is a species which is looking for a positive center, which attacks positive center. If you see over here, there is negative charge and obviously this is looking for a positive center. First step, as I have shown here, formation of enolate ion. Now, the next step is there are other molecules of acetaldehyde, and now this attack takes place because the pi bond over here is weak and is attracted by oxygen atom because oxygen is electronegative in nature. This density shifts here, a positive charge develops over here, and enolate ion is going to attack like this. Ultimately, you will generate CH3, CO I am showing this H over here, and this is joining of these two species, and this negative charge takes H from water to generate this species, and this is alcohol, this is aldehyde. Alcohol and aldehyde. Therefore, aldol. Aldol. Aldehyde and alcohol. So this molecule consists of aldehyde and alcohol. If we heat it, we will get CH3, CH, double bond CH, CHO. This is bute-2-ene alpha. So the process of aldol condensation, the mechanism of aldol condensation involves basically two steps. First step is generation of enolate ion, and second step is nucleophilic attack, because your enolate ion is a negatively charged species. Nucleophilic attack on the other acetaldehyde molecule, giving rise to the final product bute-2-enol, involving removal of water molecule. So this is a simple mechanism of aldol condensation. We can have reactions with which can give us which can be shown by aldehydes plus ketones, ketones plus ketones. Fine. Okay, thank you so much.